Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 E63S AMG. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4-liter V8 twin turbo pushing out 603 horsepower and 627 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 20-inch AMG Black Forge cross spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. This one does come with the AMG Advanced Lighting Package, which comes with an LED intelligent light system and adaptive high beam assist. On the side we have our V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC badging. An AMG nut brown black Napa leather paired with a Designo black piano lacquer wood trim with flowing lines. Sunroof. Come around back, we've got a rear spoiler. AMG E63 badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, AMG floor mats, all season and regular. Alongside, this does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you an active lane change assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, power windows, AMG illuminated door sill. Hopping in. On the side here we have our active speed limit assist, active distance assist, and our active with cross traffic function. Our touchpad steering wheel controls with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Our media display. A rear view backup camera. Navi. Dual climate controls. Wireless charging, USB port, cup holders. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. We've got individual, comfort, sport, sports plus, and race mode. Let's go ahead and give it a little rev to hear the exhaust. Sounds nice. Touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This E63S has 41,531 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E63S AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.